Alright guys, welcome back. So you remember this robot here? Those of you who have been following my channel saw this strange looking thing that I built a while ago, and it had all kinds of good cool features, like it could sort of have all kinds of joint rotation back here. So it was very complex. It even had rotation here. So you could get it maybe to do a proper punch with rotation as you should when you punch, stuff like that. But all that work doesn't really make sense when the overall structure of this robot, and I've been studying a lot of other people's robots, the successful ones, and noticed that their whole system does not run off these really heavy parts. And so all the fighting robots and so on and so forth tend to have a bunch of maybe more like plastic parts for the arms and maybe the chest and so on and so forth, and then maybe the metal is just for the structure on the bottom to keep it from falling over. But if you have something like this, eventually you're going to strip out all the motors and so on and so forth, all the little gears and things, and so that would end up being a disaster, especially if I spent a long time with my friend Steve to code it. And so instead, what I was thinking is, since he's making something that's really cool, that's a spider, like a hexapod or something, then I could convert this whole thing into something that that he's working on, so he doesn't have to create like tons of different other types of codes, and we can just use similar things so that I can learn what he's doing, and then maybe I can help him with 3D printing and all that good stuff, so that we can push his project to the next level as well. So we'll see how that all works out. But in the meantime, yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that this is not likely to stay the way that it is. I may rebuild this whole thing later on with different parts and so on and so forth. Maybe I'll keep this video for reference so that I can rebuild it, maybe 3D print the top area and make something completely different in future that will work. Because what's the point of doing something like this and then finding out that physics is not an opinion? So anyway, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one with more updates.